We reached here and this is our stay. This is my outfit. Now we are going to beach. Hi guys, so day 2, here we go. Pondy was really good. I just have to go there with someone who really good. I want to go there with humans, not with animals. So yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to Lakshmi YouTube channel. So it's me Lachu here. It's been so long I posted something on my channel. So yeah, anyway, leave it all that. And I'm going out with my friends. Few of my friends and others are like their friends. I don't know anyway. Everyone from my college only. So yeah guys. And we are going to Ponty and right now we are leaving. It's Thursday night. So yeah. I will tell the date also. The thing is, most of the videos I record, but I'm too lazy to edit the video. That's why I'm not posting anything. If I tell the date today, so I might be feeling like okay, let's edit like that. See? So it's 20th February. See, yeah, 20th February. Yeah. So yeah, guys, now we are going on bus. The bus is good. Yeah, it's already started. I will show you all. Wait. So we are going on a bus. And I'm not comfortable with bus, but still whatever. Let's see. From that shop we got the scooty, everything. It's a rental shop actually. We reached here and this is our stay. This is our stay. So still our room will get later. Around 10 o'clock all we will get our room. Later we will switch to our room. And this is the pool. When I saw the pictures, everything, it was really good. But now I am not satisfied with the rooms and all. Pool is like okay, not that good. Okay, kind of. We can chill with friends anyway. But the money we are paying here, for that it's not worth it here. Anyway, all that I will tell you later. I know how to swim actually, but the thing is, I'm not that tall. See? Water is too tall. This is like I'm standing on my toe, that's why. If I be on my full feet, let's see. See? If I am being on my full I'll literally go inside. Hey guys, so now we are going to a French colony. Yeah, and by the way, this is my outfit. Everyone wearing the dresses and all. I'm the only one wearing shorts and this top. Let's go guys. Oh god. We are going to have lunch guys right now and Saad is sitting behind me. So yeah. Peace. Say peace. Let's go guys. Hey guys, so unfortunately they are not working right now. After 4 only they will serve foods and all, and it's like kind of cafe kind. And we didn't have lunch. For lunch only we came here, so we are now going back somewhere else. We will find somewhere nice, I guess. So yeah guys, that's it for now. Let's go. What time? 5:15. Till now we didn't have lunch. I don't know what these people are doing. നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഒരു സ്ഥലത്ത് പോയി അവിടെ ഓപ്പൺ അല്ലായിരുന്നു. ദെൻ വി കെയിം ഹിയർ ഫ്രഞ്ച് കോളനി. ആൻഡ് ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ വന്നിട്ട് ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഇവർ കഴിക്കുന്നില്ല. ഇനി ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഒരു 1 കിലോമീറ്റർ ഉണ്ട് അവിടെ പോകുന്നത്. now we might gonna go there. Oh my god. രാവിലെ ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് കഴിച്ചിട്ട് ഇതുവരെ ഒന്നും കഴിച്ചില്ല. അതാണ് എനിക്കിങ്ങനെ വിശന്നിട്ട് കൺട്രോൾ. വിശന്നിട്ട് വയ്യ, നല്ല ദേഷ്യവും വരുന്നു അത് കാരണം. തലവേദന എടുക്കുന്നു ഉണ്ട്. ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ നോക്കട്ടെ. So here we gonna have something. It's a cafe, guys. Now we are going to beach. Yeah, we are going to the beach. And ഇന്ന് ഫുള്ള് നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ ഒന്നും യൂട്ടിലൈസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല, ഒരിടത്തും പോയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല. ഫുഡ് കഴിച്ചു, പിന്നെ അങ്ങും ഇങ്ങുമായിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ കുറേ പ്ലാൻ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ബട്ട് സ്റ്റിൽ അങ്ങും ഇങ്ങുമായിട്ട് പോകുന്നല്ല, പ്രോപ്പറായിട്ട് നമ്മളൊന്നും പോയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല. സോ ലൈക്കിൻ്റെ റിഫ്ലക്ഷൻ യാ എനിവേ സോ പോയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല. ഇപ്പോഴാണ് നമ്മൾ ബീച്ചിൽ പോകുന്നത്. സോ ദിസ് ഈസ് ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് പ്ലേസ് വി ആർ ഗോണ എക്സ്പ്ലോർ. സ്റ്റിൽ അതുകൊണ്ട് മേ ബി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണില്ല, ബട്ട് സ്റ്റിൽ ഇറ്റ്സ് ഫൈൻ. ഓക്കെ, ജസ്റ്റ് വാച്ച് ഇറ്റ്. ആൻഡ് ഇത് കാണാൻ എന്താ പറയുക, നാട്ടിലെ ശംഖുമുഖം ബീച്ചിൻ്റെ ആ ഒരു വൈബ് ഉണ്ട്. സോ and I will come. So what, even if it's similar to my place also, still it's fine because I love beaches more than anything. I love beaches only. If there is a two options like mountains or beach, I'll go with beach only. So I'm kind of person like that. You are there and others standing there. So yeah guys, and I am sitting here. Hi guys, so day 2, here we go, and we are going out right now. Actually these people are going somewhere else and they are like wasting time, so we thought to go somewhere and taking pictures. So maybe we are going to French town, French colony. Yeah, also let me show you my outfit. So this is my outfit guys. The camera is like this. Walking so hot. Like I'm wearing this. So 4 of us only came here right now. The thing is, അവർ ഭയങ്കര ഡിലേ ആക്കുക, ആരും റെഡി ആയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക. പിന്നെ പോകാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് പറയുന്ന ടൈമിൽ നിന്ന് 2 hours ഒക്കെ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഇറങ്ങണം. സോ വി തോട്ട് ടു കം ഹിയർ. ഇനി നമ്മളിവിടെ നിന്ന് നേരെ അവർ നിൽക്കുന്ന അവിടെ നമ്മൾ പോയി ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യും എന്തായാലും. സോ ഇവിടെ ജസ്റ്റ് വന്നിട്ട് ഷൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാമെന്ന് കരുതി. ജസ്റ്റ് എന്തെങ്കിലും ഫോട്ടോസ് എന്തെങ്കിലും നല്ലത് കിട്ടുവാണെങ്കിൽ പോസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യും, അതല്ലേ. അയ്യോ, ഇവിടെ ആക്ച്വലി ഇത് ഭയങ്കര രസം എല്ലാം കാണാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. ഈ റോഡൊക്കെ നല്ല ക്ലീനാണ്, പ്ലാസ്റ്റിക്സ് അങ്ങനെ വേസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് അങ്ങനെ ഒന്നുമില്ല. കുറേ ട്രീസ് ഉണ്ട്, അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ ആ ഒരു എന്താ ഇലകൾ അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ഉള്ളൂ. അതും പിന്നെ ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് ഇട്ടിങ്ങനെ ആൾക്കാർ വന്ന് ക്ലീൻ ചെയ്യും. ടൂറിസ്റ്റ് പ്ലേസ് ആയതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇത്രയും ക്ലീനായിട്ട് വെക്കുന്നതിലും. വേറെയും നമ്മൾ ടൂറിസ്റ്റ് പ്ലേസിൽ പോകുമ്പോൾ ഇത്ര ക്ലീനായിട്ടൊന്നും തോന്നാറില്ല. ഇറ്റ്സ് റിയലി ഗുഡ് ആക്ച്വലി, സോ ഗുഡ്. നിങ്ങളിവിടെ വരുവാണെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും. മേ ബി കുറേ പേരൊക്കെ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈം നമുക്ക് കമ്മിങ് ഹിയർ. Guys, it's so hot actually. That's why I'm holding umbrella. So basically we had lunch now from here, then we went to this beach. Summa just 5 minutes we spent at there, right? ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ തിരിച്ച് റൂമിൽ പോകും. We will get ready and we are planning to go some Mangalore forest or something. They were saying, I don't know clearly. So നമ്മൾ ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ അവിടെ പോകും. Yeah. Hey guys, so now we came to Mangalore forest just for a ride.
We have to live in the moment. LIVE. Guys, say live. Anyone some other?
So yeah guys, here we go. It's really beautiful. Look at the view guys. So good, so good. ഇതും ലൈക്ക് നമ്മുടെ നാട്ടിൽ പൂവാറ് ഇതുപോലെ ഒരു ഇതുണ്ട്, പൊഴിയുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ ബോട്ടിൻ്റെ ബോട്ട് സവാരി. സോ അതിൻ്റെ കാര്യം എനിക്കിവിടെ വന്നപ്പോൾ ഫുള്ള് വീട്ടിലെ ഓർമ്മയാണ്, വീട്ടിൻ്റെ ആ ഒരു വൈബും എല്ലാം. ഇന്നേ വരെ ബാംഗ്ലൂർ വന്നിട്ട് വീട്ടിൽ പോകണം, അങ്ങനെ വീടിനെ മിസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. ബട്ട് ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈം ഇവിടെ വന്നതിന് ശേഷം എനിക്ക് വീട് മിസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ബിക്കോസ് എവറിത്തിങ് ലൈക്ക് ബീച്ചും എല്ലാം നാട്ടിലെ ഒരു ഇതൊക്കെ ആയിട്ട് സിമിലർ ആവുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ അത് കാരണം സോ യാ എനിവേ ഇറ്റ്സ് റിയലി ഗുഡ് ഗൈസ്.
video started now, Lachu.
Guys, again we back to beach. So അവിടെ നടക്കെ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് നമ്മളിവിടെ വന്ന് കുറച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ പോവും, പിന്നെ ഡിന്നർ കഴിക്കും. മേ ബി ഇനിയൊരു ബീച്ചിൽ പോകുമെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു, അതല്ലേ പിന്നെ നേരെ റൂമിലായിരിക്കും. എനിവേ ലെറ്റ്സ് സീ. So guys, after that Pondi trip, today it's 25th April. The trip was on February, right? Yeah, February. So March, April, 2 months almost done, and now I'm making the last part. There the vlog ends actually. I mean the vlog ends, but the trip was not ended there. My battery died also. I couldn't record. Even if it not died also, I can't record. So you guys saw the one resto bar was there. We went there, okay. After spending some time on beach, we went there, and everyone had some fun there. We spent a lot of time. Later we left. While coming, we had an accident with my scooty and one of another person from our team only. So actually how it's happened is like the person who went front, they didn't put the indicator, and my side also mistake is there. I went a little bit fast, so it clashed. Somehow I managed, that's why nothing big happened, but still accident happened. Anyway, yeah, so when that happened, mistake, people around like everyone is blaming me, betraying me. I'm the only one did the mistake here. It's accident, it's not a planned thing. But the way they acted is like literally made me realize how these people can be. With these people I went no, oh god. You guys saw the previous video. On there my arms was plastered, so this was removed last week. It's not proper right now. Still, yeah, when I went to hospital that time, I was not crying and I was not doing all the dramas. Why do I have to? Because it's not necessary. I don't need attention, so I didn't do all this. The person who sat behind me was like doing lot of stuff, and people believed and did all this. Even I did. And what I did is, and other things also happened. I believed one guy. I considered him as a good friend of mine, and I don't know. I don't want to tell that, but still, through this trip, I got to know how he was and how his real face also I got to know. So people can be like this also. People can act like they're so nice, well mannered, respecting women, all this stuff, but somehow I got to know his face because of that incident. So thankful for the trip, because I got to know these people real face, especially that guy. So for that I'm grateful, but at the same time the things happened there. For me it's like, oh, I went through a lot, still I managed and I survived. I faced. So I'm like, okay, great, let's choose, because you faced all those stuff. Even nobody was with you. You did it. For that I'm grateful, and to get to know all these faces, for that also I'm grateful for this trip. And the incident happened, but still it's fine, because due to that I got to know that guy real face and these people face also. After I reached here, I was thinking about the person who sat with me. I was like worried about them. Nobody literally calling me and asking how I felt. It's okay, fine, no, not a big deal. I did, from my side I did. I'm not like them, so I did. And after reaching Bangalore, suddenly that day itself, the next day I packed everything and I left Bangalore because I couldn't survive here. I couldn't move my arms and my shoulder also got injured. All my bodies like left side everything was scratched. Now I have lot of scars. So due to that I couldn't survive here. It's very difficult, especially my right arm. So I went Kerala. While going back to home, I saw a snap. The person who was crying and doing all these dramas for getting attention from the people was dancing on the same pub where we went yesterday. I mean, the Friday night we went the same place. They went again on Saturday night also. So they're dancing there, and she was dancing, and I was like, oh God, seriously? How can she dance? If she got hurt like that much, that deep, then why she dancing there? How can she dance? I couldn't even move my arms. I am struggling a lot, but I didn't even act in front of them. Like I can't survive, I can't stand, I'm gonna faint. I didn't do all this stuff. She did literally, and she was dancing there. I got surprised. Seriously, girl, wow. So this is how things happen, and after that even I didn't call them and I didn't even ask anything because I got to know the real face of her also. And yeah, that's how. And I went back to Kerala for a week. I was at my home, and at that time it was very helpful for me to staying there because my family took care. And later I came back to Bangalore because attendance shortage is there. Now I have attendance. I'm writing exam actually. Just missed 76 point something was my attendance. But the last semester I had 85 something, above 85, 86, 87 something. So you can see the difference due to this accident. All these things happened. I'm really missed a lot of classes. And anyway, somehow I managed now. So here we go. The vlog ends here now because I just want to clarify everything because all of a sudden the vlog is ending now, so you guys might be not getting anything. And the Pondi trip, it's really good. I mean, Pondi was really good. I just have to go there with someone who really good. I want to go there with humans, not with animals. So yeah, I don't want to tell all the stuffs, but most of my friends know right now, and in a platform like this I don't want to share all that. So yeah guys, and the Pondi trip is so good, and if you want to visit Pondi, it's really good. For 3 days, 4 days, it will be nice. There is not much to watch, and I my hometown is like around beach, but still I love beach. I really love beach. I like spending time on beach. Beach is like a therapy for me and healing. Yeah, that's it. And thanks for watching till the end of this vlog. I hope you guys liked. I didn't like the vlog. I mean, I didn't like the trip, but whatever. Maybe you liked or not. So yeah guys, that's how it's gone. Anyway, that's it. I hope you guys like this vlog. If you are enjoyed or not, still like the vlog guys, and comment below and share with your friends also. So that's it, and thanks for watching till the end. Love you so much guys. Bye bye.